A surgeon can operate well if they have competent assistants. Peak performance needs an expert support team. An industrial enterprise can function successfully when an expert takes care of the utilities. Thermax, the one-stop solution for operations and maintenance of utility equipment. Thermax offers comprehensive operations and maintenance services for the complete range of utility equipment. Now focus on your core business and achieve your goals of growth and sustainability. Thermax Operations and Maintenance has a distinct edge thanks to its strong technical capabilities, rich industry experience, and world-class safety standards. Thermax Operations and Maintenance. Rely on the experts.